In this video, we will walk you through the process of logging into your StudySync account. Follow these simple steps to access your learning materials, assignments, and resources. Step 1. Open your web browser. First, launch your preferred web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you regularly use. Step 2. Visit the StudySync login page. In the address bar, type https://www.studysync.com and press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official StudySync website. Step 3. Click on the Login button. Once the page loads, locate the Login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. Step 4. Enter your credentials. On the login page, you will see fields to enter your username and password. Username. Type in the username you created when you registered for StudySync. Password. Enter your password in the second field. If you forget your password, there's an option to reset it by clicking Forgot Password. Step 5. Click Login. After filling in your credentials, click the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be redirected to your StudySync dashboard. Step 6. Access your content. Once logged in, you can access your courses, assignments, and other resources provided by StudySync. Troubleshooting tips. Double-check your internet connection if you face any issues while logging in. Ensure your username and password are entered correctly. If you're still having trouble, you can contact StudySync's support team for assistance. That's it. You've successfully logged in to StudySync. Enjoy your learning experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.